Hello friends, I am Aarti Gupta and welcome to CraftLas. Today I am going to make a waterfall card and I will show you the basics only. Take a cardstock and a thin strip of paper. You have to glue the strip inside the card from sides only. Glue like this. Keep it aside. Now take a long strip of paper and some heart shapes of equal size. You can take any size or any shape. Take the measurement from the first heart and mark it. Now draw a line with the help of scale like this. And now I am going to mark 4 lines at the difference of 1 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now mark the lines. After this you have to mountain fold these lines. We have done. Now fold them. You have to draw the lines according to the number of hearts or any other shape you are taking. Now glue the first heart just below the line. Stick it properly. Now stick the another heart just below the second line. Now the third one. And the last one. I have 4 hearts, so you just need 4 lines. Now fold it. The strip is ready. Properly paste them and check like this. This is ready. Now you have to put this strip inside the first strip, which I have already pasted. Now check your card. Yeah, it's okay. Now glue this orange strip. Stick it properly and your waterfall card is ready. You can take any shape and make this